Good morning and what is up? Today is another great day for an S9 adventure. We are here in a new spot for snakehead fishing. This time we have mom and dad using a good friend of mine's canoe, Alan Chen. Give a good shout out. Nat's right there. We're trying to get this day started. All right, we've been here for about an hour. I think we got our first bite here. About to give Natalie the rod. And let's see if we can make some magic. Right. Tighten the drag first. And reel in nice and slow. Nice and slow. Is it tight?
Yeah.
Yeah,
oh, yes, yep. I do.
All right, set the pop it a little bit. Yep, there you go. Hard. There you go. Is it still on there?
I don't think so.
No, it's not.
Oh, that's so disappointing.
Yeah, you had a fish. I think you missed it. It's okay.
Sorry.
All right, ready?
Looks like Stefan's got one too. Hopefully another big one.
I don't know yet. Could be one that you just lost, maybe.
Could be the one I just lost. Yeah, okay.
Oh, wow. The hook pulled too.
These dang fish today, man.
Holy moly. What is going on? Are they not eating? What? I'm so confused.
Looks like Stefan might be on one again here, guys. Let's see. Come on, fish. Fourth time's the charm, guys. Hey, fish is a fish. Fish is a fish, man.
I think it's a catfish.
Do you want me to put this down?
I got it. Let me get this out.
You want me to put this down and help you?
No, just keep filming.
I got it. I am.
I think it's a catfish.
We would. Yeah, that's what I was seeing before.
Darn it. Cat.
And we got a cat, y'all.
Oh, gosh darn it. Alright, I think I'm on here. Let's see what I got. Is he on there? Yeah.
Wow, yep. That's a struggle.
Feels small.
Still something.
He's charging. Oh, got him. He was charging. I don't know. He feels small. Yeah. Yeah, we're keeping him. If it's a snake. Feels like a cat. Feels like a catfish though.
Catfish.
No, get the water, Foley. What are you recording?
Where? I don't see anything here.
I don't see him either. He's right here.
Are you gonna get that
A
net?
catfish.
Catfish?
Yeah. He's a cat. A big one too.
Big blue cat.
Oh, that's a nice size. You might keep him.
Big blue cat.
Yeah, what, about 6 pounds?
Like 4 or 5.
This one that knife he caught last time, isn't it?
Yeah.
So he should bite off the end,
It could be.
Oh.
Could be. He's big enough too. Thank you.
And this time he has swallowed the hook.
Alright, my guy.
You want to keep him, Stefan? What do you think?
I don't know, catfish.
Huh?
You can get catfish anytime.
Okay, I'll let you then.
Hey, guess where I caught him?
So that might be him. Did Andy just jump out to the water too?
Yeah, almost all fish jump out of the water.
I thought you said catfish can't bite.
I never said they can't bite. All fish got teeth, Sandy.
I saw the white belly.
Yeah. It felt like a... Felt like a catfish. Hold it.
Got it.
That's my second catfish for the day. It's like stuck in his mouth.
Where you going? Huh? Where you going, man? Where you going? Where are you trying to go? We gotta get you off the hook first. Wait your ass right there.
You still recording?
I am.
Where you going?
My man's trying to go back in.
Where's your ass going? Should I keep recording this?
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, wow. Wait, what? Oh no!
See you later.
Mouth. Mom with a large mouth?
Nope,
Giant large mouth.
That's a nice size large mouth.
Can we keep it?
No.
You can, but you got to
Mom
skin
with
him
a
to eat him.
giant large mouth.
That's a nice large mouth.
Okay, let him go.
You want to hold him? Here, hold him.
Hold him so you can take a picture.
Hey, grab the thing.
Just grab him by the lip, Sandra.
I got him.
Oh, Mom with a nice large mouth. Nice.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
a nice large mouth.
And just right here.
Yeah.
This one right
Throw him
here.
back, yeah.
Well, this is where they hang out. This is where they ambush him.
Okay, or just throw him in there like a log.
Tighten it.
Bro, hold it rod right. Put your finger up here.
I've better leverage if I get down up there.
Let me see. All right, reel. Is this still on there?
Yeah.
You
I don't
sure?
think it's huge. Yeah. There's taps.
Still on?
Maybe not.
It's still on. It's still on.
Yeah. It's just small.
Nice, nice.
Just wait and see. No.
You got it. You got something. Catfish. Another cat. Small. Okay, Foley. My man, like, Natalie out here with a grunter.
Oh god.
Natalie, wait.
It's snorting.
Natalie got this man grunting.
Yeah, he's snorting.
I've never heard a catfish make the sound. Ow!
Yes, he's snorting.
You can put the rod down and hold the GoPro. Yeah. Just ran over to Dad. Dad's on one. Nice. It's not too bad.
Ready?
Yeah. Ooh. Nice. Still a good size.
It's still a good size.
Any size snake has a good size. It's not a cat.
It's a cat.
Nice. It's not. Sandy's on
Dad
a fish.
on one.
Might be a big one. It's definitely not a catfish.
Which way to turn? Left or right? To stop the dry?
Just turn it away from you.
This way.
Yeah. It's a big snake, Sandy. Big snake. You're really not. She's getting him. Big snake.
No, that's a catfish.
It's a big snake. It's a big snake. Okay, Sandy.
I see the bottom.
You don't see no bottom because I don't see the bottom. It's a big snake. Oh, it's a cat.
I saw the bottom.
Dang, I've never seen a...
Keep this one.
No.
No.
I've never seen that before. It circled it like a shark.
I'm done.
We were always gonna be done. Dang, Sandy got a nice cat. This is a nice one. That's a solid fish right here.
Am I My little fish is still alive.
This is a nice fish. Big head. Look at this head on this thing.
It's bigger than yours?
His head is massive.
It's bigger than yours?
No, Mom's it's on. bigger than mine. What is it, Sandy?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. I saw the white belly.
Mom's
Big
on.
ass cat.
Caddy.
Yeah.
Bring him up. Keep walking. Why you keep reeling? Come on.
Okay, I move, dang.
And just walk around and go up.
Let you go. Dang. No, the cat. Big ass catfish. I can't.
Natalie, bleed it. I will.
Ah, that catfish that you threw back.
No, it's not. The catfish I threw back. Bring him up. There you go. Nice job, Sandy.
No.